Hi there, students. Nomophobia. A phobia, a fear. Nomophobic. The adjective. A nomophobe. Okay, this, believe it or not, is the fear of being without your mobile phone, or fear of not being able to connect your mobile phone to the network. So clearly, nomophobia is a new phobia. Yeah, because how long have mobile phones or smartphones been around? Not very long. Yeah, it's the fear of being out of mobile phone contact. Yeah, if you've got no bars on your mobile, then you might end up with an attack of nomophobia. Yeah, the fear or the worry at the idea of being without your mobile phone or unable to use it. Um, People who suffer from nomophobia usually never switch their phones off. Okay, so nomophobia, yeah, being disconnected. Anxiety when you can't get a signal from a cell phone tower, or when you've run out of battery, or you forget to take your phone with you. A phoneaholic as well, I found this word. But nomophobia, stress, a state of stress caused by having no access to your mobile phone or being unable to use your mobile phone. I wonder if students in class suffer from nomophobia. Yeah, because no mobile phones in class, or no use of mobile phones in class, please, because it distracts you. Sufferers from nomophobia get stressed when they're unable to connect to the network. It's a morbid fear of being without your mobile phone. Okay, the fear of not having a mobile phone signal. Yeah, so are you a nomophobe? I think the number of nomophobes in society is increasing steadily and rapidly. I think in 2012 they did a survey which said it was 66%. I get the feeling that today the percentage of nomophobes among us is probably much higher than that. So nomophobic, yeah. The more things that mobile phones do, the more nomophobic we become. Now, one little interesting thing with this nomophobia, before the invention of the mobile phone, this word nomophobia had a meaning. It meant and I guess it still does, the fear of laws, disdain for laws. You don't like laws. You're very anti-laws, and that itself comes from ancient Greek, nomos, meaning law. Yeah, nomo, law, nomophobia, a fear of laws. But clearly, I think that meaning is going to be forgotten. Yeah, and now we have nomophobia, the fear of not having a functional mobile phone. Yeah, how many people out there find it difficult to imagine living without their mobile phone? Yeah, nomophobia may well be linked to some sort of social anxiety disorder, some sort of anxiety that you are no longer part of society, you're out of society. But I think nowadays nomophobia is everywhere in industrial society. So, nomophobia, formality. That's a difficult one. I think I'm going to give it a I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere, because I think this is a neologism that's going to spread, because it clearly applies to our society. Use it anywhere. And as to origin, no mobile phone phobia, and that's the idea of it. Yeah, no mobile phone phobia, no phobia. Yeah, a psychological condition where people have a fear of being detached from their mobile phone, from mobile phone connectivity. What am I going to do? I'm not on the network. Well, for thousands of years we weren't on the network, and it wasn't a problem. You see, you don't you only miss things when you know you've got them. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nomophobia.